To sharpen your axe, you can use your axe puck or a stone of your choice. I have a diamond plate. Hold the axe in one hand, take your sharpener, and make circular motions going up and down the blade of the axe. Keep going in circular motions till you get the angle that you want. Do both sides. It doesn't matter what direction the circles go. You can alternate if you'd like. Then when you've finished and you think you have the edge that you like, go ahead and do a nice, even finishing stroke on both sides. And then strop it on a leather strop.